Republic.
Yes, but that's what we budget. Yes, speaking in public, nobody loves it. Yes, that's right, and love it when the lights are on. But you so beautiful, I should give you my microphone.
Yes, so you know I just bit more than this. Baby, I hope that this speech is informative. Yes, so you know I'd be great. I would say that I love you over your school PA.
Yes, but I'm the best with the sound. You like books, girl? That's why you checking me out. Yes, that's right, and look at this novel. A book by its cover, I guess it's about a model.
Baby, I hope you like this new rapper. You like books? Well, let me start a new chapter. Yeah, so you know that's how we get it. Oh my goodness, baby girl, like my heart, hope you read it.
Oh man, she about to get slow jammed.
Oh man, she about to get slow jammed.
Oh man, she about to get slow jammed.
Baby girl, you about to get slow jammed.
Oh girl, you can bet I'll be calling ya. Yeah, she checking me out. Czechoslovakia. Yes, and you know that I'm better. Czechoslovakia with the better mic checker.
Yes, so that was really a metaphor. Your love's like Czechoslovakia doesn't exist anymore. Yes, so you know that's how we get up. After some crisis, they split up.
Yes, but if that's the subject, then I will take her to the Czech Republic. Yes, that's right. They know I'm the best flower. He couldn't afford to buy you Czech soda.
Yeah, so you know that's how we get it. Yeah, I like Czech, baby girl, that's how I spit it. Yeah, keep on going, so you know that's how I spit it, son. You like your wedding ring? Would you like a bigger one?
Yes, she likes the way that I'm rhyming, but she likes my rhyming because my thoughts are diamonds. Yes, and you know that his flow is dumb. If he got you a diamond, it'd be cubic zirconium.
Oh man, she just got slow jammed.
Now, Paula, darling. Oh, Paula, it is the moment of decision. Only one of us can take you to the Czech Republic. Who will it be? You ready? You made your decision?
Yes, who is it?
I'm ready for
Can I
it.
talk?
Okay.
All right.
Public Speaking 101, you were upstaging the
Sorry,
song.
the view was really good from back there. I'm sorry.
I know, I have a great butt.
All right.
So your decision was me, yay! Thank you so much. We are going to be so happy together. This was legally binding.
But just on Disney property.
Yes, binding like a book. Anyway,
Yes, nailed it.
yes, make some noise for Paul.